Hey Siri, who's your favorite person?
You are.
I am! Yay! Hey there, gorgeous! Today's makeup challenge is going to be brought to you by Siri. I'm gonna be sharing an entire look picked by her. Now, this video concept was created by YouTuber Stephanie Toms, and I think it is brilliant. So 2 thumbs up to you. And the way that she did it was she first wrote down all of the products that you're gonna need. So I have it all listed out by eyes, face, and then lips. And what you do is you ask Siri to search for each product. You go to the first page of results and look for a product that you already have in your collection, and that is what you use on your face, whether you like it or not. I will tell you that I'm gonna break the rules a little bit and not include primers in this list. I don't use a face primer anyway, but I'm going to be using the Too Faced Eyeshadow Insurance as my eyeshadow primer. Hey Siri, search for an eyeshadow palette.
Okay, I found something on the web for an eyeshadow palette. Take a look.
Okay, first website that comes up is Sephora, which is really good to see because that means I have options. Okay, so the very first one that comes up is the Anastasia Soft Glam Palette. And then I think, well, the next one is the Urban Decay Naked Palette Collection. No, it's the Naked Heat Palette. Okay.
Okay, I found this on the web for a liquid eyeliner. Take a look.
They're not exactly all liquid. The only one I have on this list is the Stila Smudge Stick Waterproof Eyeliner. So I'll ask Siri to pick a color since there are so many here to choose from. Hey Siri, pick a random color.
I found an answer. It's displayed on your iPhone.
It's green. I think I have one in green. I'm gonna use this one, the Stila Smudge Stick in turquoise. That's the closest I can get. Search for mascara.
Mascara is a cosmetic commonly used to enhance the eyelashes.
I know that.
It may. Would you like to hear more?
Sheesh, you smart butt. I asked you to search for a mascara, not tell me what it is. Search mascara.
Here's what I found on the web for mascara. Have a look.
Okay, Ulta comes up again, and let's see what our choices are. Too Faced Better Than Sex. Oh, really? Oh, it's the first one that comes up. It's search for a brow pencil. Anastasia Benefit NYX Micro Brow. I have that one and I really like it. Search for false eyelashes. Okay, Salon Perfect came up finally, something I have in number 615. I don't know if I have those. Let me check. Well, I have the 625s from Salon Perfect, so I will use those. We have the eyes done. Let's go to the face. Search for a liquid foundation. Urban Decay Naked Skin. Ugh, I don't even like that. Okay, it's actually one I have. Shop for concealer.
My web search turned something up for shop for concealer.
Okay, Sephora. Let's see what you have, Sephora. You're gonna give me another Urban Decay product, aren't you? NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. Ah, threw that one out. I didn't like it. Laura Mercier Urban Decay Naked Skin. Search for a translucent powder. Laura Mercier is the first one. I used to have that, but I used it up. Givenchy. Yes, actually something I like.
Okay, I found this on the web for blush and makeup.
NARS is the very first thing that comes up. I have a few NARS colors. And then for lips, all you do is ask Siri to pick a random color, and that is what you use. Hey Siri, pick a random color.
Check the display on your iPhone for the answer.
I'm afraid to look. You look first. What color is it? It's blue! Oh, and it's Periwinkle. Okay, I am going to grab all of these products and we're gonna jump into this tutorial. Beginning with the eyes. The way this works is first I'm going to determine how many eyeshadows I want to use from the Naked Heat palette. I'm going to go with 4 different colors. So because there are 12 shades in the palette, I am going to ask Siri 4 times to pick a number between 1 and 12. And those 4 shades are what I'm going to use on my eyes. All right, so shade number 1. Hey Siri, pick a number between 1 and 12.
Random number between 1 and 12 is 1.
1. Like, yeah, you're boring, man. All right. It's good though, because I can use this as my blending shade. And apply, it's shimmery. Woo! I'm gonna apply it on my brows, like so.
Random number between 1 and 12 is 7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. I'm applying Dirty Talk on the inner half of the lid. It's gonna be insane. Whoa. Pick a number between 1 and 12. Don't do me wrong.
Random number between 1 and 12 is 8.
All right. Not much of a different color. On the outer half of the lid, not much difference between these two colors, so ooh, don't know how much of a difference you'll be able to see between the two.
Random number between 1 and 12 is 6.
Oh, really? This one. It's gonna be a very dark red eye. I'm applying this into the crease. Yeah, buddy. You're gonna make me look like a peacock.
I am?
You am. I'm almost dreading this last color. Hey Siri, pick a number between 1 and 12.
Random number between 1 and 12 is 3.
Oh, cool. All right, yes. Well, at least I'll be a peacock with really blended eyeshadow. Yeah. See, that helps save it a little bit, even though this is not something I would recreate again. I'm gonna go one step further. I'm gonna ask her to pick a color for the lower lash line, and that's what we will use. Hey Siri.
Random number between 1 and 12 is 7.
Oh, really? Oh, I gotta use that one again. I am going to go ahead and apply my eyeliner that Siri picked out for me already, the Stila Smudge Stick in the shade Turquoise, which is going to be a really pretty contrast against these red eyes, I must say. Here we go. It's gonna make that turquoise pop, that's for sure. All right, adding mascara with the Too Faced Better Than Sex. I really don't like this stuff. It weighs my lashes down. It does nothing for them. Flakes, transfers. Not that I'm gonna be wearing this look or anything today, so that part doesn't really matter, but it just doesn't do anything for me. Let's add some brows that might make things pull together a little better, although I think this pencil is going to be a little red. Actually, never mind. I forgot what a soft, natural look this particular color gives you when you have red hair. And we'll add our lashes, the Salon Perfect 625. They may just make this look a little better than what it already does. See, for some reason, lashes fix everything. Even though I'm not too fond of the look, it actually is, it's okay. I can live with it. Moving on to the face, I'm using the Urban Decay Naked Skin Foundation. I really don't like this stuff. The reason I don't like it is because it does not blend into the skin very well. It sits on top. And I feel like this shade is a little too light, which is the other reason why I don't use it. I'm gonna be a ghost with red eyes. To get our under eye area to match the rest of our face, we'll apply the concealer from Urban Decay. This is in the shade Fair Neutral, which is way too light for me, but I waited too long to go back and exchange it, so I'm stuck with it now. Whew. Well, at least my face matches, and we'll go ahead and set everything with the Givenchy powder. I actually really love this stuff. It's a shame to waste it though. Oh, it smells so good. Love, love, love. And for my blush, I'm going with a NARS one in the shade Torrid, which may not actually look so bad with these really bright eyes. Although it's a really bright blush. I forgot how bright this blush was. Woo! Hey Siri, what do you think of this color?
It's your opinion that counts, Sabrina.
Ugh. Siri's like a man. You try to get an opinion, but then you get a safe answer instead. Now that I have everything done, I'm going back with the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I'm avoiding those lips. Have you noticed that? I'm trying to procrastinate on those lips as much as possible. Hey Siri, sing me a song.
You wouldn't like it.
Aw, would you please sing me a song?
I'd rather not.
She's no fun today. Sing me a song, woman.
I'd rather leave that to the professionals.
Are you ready for this? Periwinkle Lips. For that periwinkle color that Siri gave us, I'm using a pigment. This is from MakeupGeek. It's her Atlantis pigment. I'm gonna mix it in with my NYX glitter glue. Oh, it's really pretty though. This is like something out of the Wizard of Oz, isn't it? Gives me Tin Man vibes. Hey Siri, how do I look?
You look fabulous, Sabrina.
Yeah, I do.
Is that what you wanted to hear?
Yes. You made me look like a clown, girl.
Shiny.
Yeah, very. Well, that's as good as it's gonna get. I hope that you found this laughable today. What fun is life if you can't take a minute to laugh at yourself every now and then? I thoroughly enjoyed this challenge. If you happen to miss the Google Picks My Makeup challenge, I will also have that video linked for you below. Let me know if you try this out, what you thought about it. What colors would Siri pick for your lipstick? Try it out for yourself. Thanks for taking the time to watch, and I look forward to seeing you again next time. Search for liquid foundation. I'm gonna find one.
I found something on the web about liquidation. Check it out. A concealer or color corrector is a type of cosmetic that is used to mask dark circles.
Search for concealer.
Concealer or color corrector is a type of cosmetic that is used to mask dark circles, age spots, large pores, and other small blemishes. Would you like to hear more?
No.